Repeat at least once to memorize, and white's turn to play. Mate in 3. Pause to try. And now the solution.
The player with white sweeps the pawn on f7 along with all the dust from this stale position, crying check, like there is no tomorrow today.
The player wearing black uses the queen on f7 as a door stopper.
The player with light-colored pieces moonwalks to g6 and gets a copyright claim from Jackson Estate, whispering check, like sharing the world's biggest secret.
The player with the RGB 000 pieces heads to G8 while looking at a video on how to monetize ChatGPT. The player with the pale pieces makes a beeline for H8, says checkmate as if it was another successful gambit from FM William Grafe.